Alright, so I'm getting ready to install um, I'm getting ready to install FFmpeg, I should say, and I came across an issue. I finally got my new Mac, and I didn't install Xcode since I'm working on a 128 gig solid state drive. I don't have a lot of space, so I didn't know that I would be missing some items. So I went to run GCC, which is a C++ compiler or a C compiler, and it says it's not found, which I'd never had that problem before. I've always had Xcode. I found out GCC comes with Xcode. Well, everything I looked up online says you can't get GCC by itself. So I figured that there's got to be a way since I used to have it. So what you can do is first open up your old computer or find someone who has an old computer with Xcode. Go into their developer folder. That's how you know if you had it or not. Go into the user USR folder and go into bin. And then in your Finder, go ahead and actually open a new window because it's going to overwrite that one. Open a new window and go to folder and go to /user/bin, which is hidden on your computer. So basically these two are those spaces where GCC would be involved. So let's go down. First thing that we need GCC, which is the compiler itself. But as you can see, it's got a little arrow, which means it's actually an alias. So it's probably aliasing this latest one, 4.2, but just to make sure, we're going to Apple I and check it and see the alias is going to bin/gcc4.2. Okay, so that's correct. So we need both of those if we want to be able to use it without having to write the 4.2. So we'll drag those over here, and we have to authenticate in order for this to work. Okay, so we've dragged those over. Now, if we run it now, it says it's missing a file, which is GCC421. So that's actually down here, GCC421 i86, that guy. So drag that over, authenticate, like that. There we go. And now when we run it again, now it's asking for a file. So now we've got GCC installed in just a couple steps. If it needs more files later on, they're all here. But so it is easy and quick to get GCC on here. I might upload these files in a zip, but for now, that's how you add GCC if you don't have it.